Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money and deposit money onto Exnova.com. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first want to do is head on over to Exnova.com and sign into your account. So click onto login. Then once we've logged in, you want to head over to the charts and then you want to click onto your user profile. Then from here, there's going to be a drop down menu. We can either go ahead and click on deposit funds or withdraw funds here and just go through the process of withdrawing and depositing. Now, if you make a withdrawal, so basically you have one free withdrawal per calendar month, the number of commission free withdrawals will be automatically counted at the beginning of the next month. So from here, we can go ahead and choose how do we want to withdraw money, so we can use a BNB, Bitcoin, Cardano, Ethereum, etc. And then just basically put in your address. So if you're using Ethereum, you want to put in your Ethereum address here and then put in the amount, and you're going to see if you've already had your free withdrawal, it's going to cost you some money. So I think it is $1 USD if you're going to withdraw 20. So yeah, looks like it's about 5%, I reckon. Then from here, basically go ahead and click on withdraw funds, and then the time needed to proceed with your request takes 1 to 3 business days. And then once you've done that, it's going to say your withdrawal request is accepted. And then from there, if you make any more new requests after your free withdrawal, it is going to cost you money. And now if we want to go ahead and deposit funds, we want to go ahead and come back here, click on deposit, and then choose your network or bank credit card to add money to your account.